When in smart mode, the basic operation of the blade is raise and lower, which is done by pushing forward and pulling back on your right hand joystick. Adjust the cross slope side to side, again with your right hand joystick. To angle the blade, you're going to do functions 1 and 2, which is your roller switch. If your grater blade is equipped with the optional wings, you simultaneously press aux 6 while opening and closing your roller switch for your right hand blade. Aux 5 will control your left hand blade, same operation with your roller switch.